Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. I think this PTO was left on one too many times, and the dump bed's not working, so let's get this thing fixed up and diagnosed here. But I got air up here to the solenoid, to the switch, so let's trace it down to the pump on the transmission, make sure we're getting air pressure down to the solenoid. But appreciate y'all tuning in, and stay tuned and hit that like and sub button. So when you pull that valve, it sends air to that solenoid, and I do have a leak. Yeah, the air comes to the solenoid and then engages the arm to a thrust bearing, which engages the pump. So let's zip this cover off and see what's going on with it. Inspect these gears. Okay, let's see what we've got. So, I believe our gears look great. Little grinding on the outside. Just gonna slide it. I think that's what was wrong with it. That slider came off, huh? I think so. I'll have to look at the video, but I think that was pulled out. So let's inspect the case. Get up from up under here. But there's no sheared gears or anything. Those gears should be good to go. They feel good. No major backlash or anything. Alright, let's inspect this case. I gotta get up from under here. Somewhere right here. Check it out real good. Alright, this thing, you can probably see yep, it's hung. It was definitely hung. So we're going to take it apart, blow it all out, clean this dude all up, and try to fix it. So let's get started on it. Y'all be sure to check out our other video on modding the DT466 engine. We gained quite a bit of horsepower out of it, and so if you're interested in that, check out the other video. see if I can clean that up. So, let's get this dude loose here. Here's what's wrong with the dump truck. It's like I throw a bearing engager or something. It's been skipping on there for a while. So trying to wipe it down. Let's see this housing. There's cows. I gotta get them some hay.
A little bitty spring right here with grease on it.
I bet it came out of this thing. You can see how scarred up it is in that. There's two. Yeah. I'm gonna smooth it all down. I guess I'll take some emery cloth and work it. This is probably the best thing right here. Yeah, sand itself together. Seems to be working. It definitely helped some. I don't want to take any off, I just want to smooth it. I think I'll hit it with this wire brush. That seemed like it's almost cleaned that up pretty good. I'll hit it with this wire brush. See what it does to it. There's a lot of it. Shine on the metal. Liquid. Definitely open it. Roof right there. Looks not real rough. This side is starting lined up. Yeah, I left the PTO on and the fluid had leaked out. This is what caused it. So I think it'll get her going again. Alright. No, I don't think that went. I have to watch the video, but I don't think it did go on there. I'm gonna clean all these up real good. Let's see. Yeah, it's smooth now. It would probably work like that, put it back together, but I'm gonna have to seal all this up. So I'm gonna soak this thing overnight. I don't think that went to it. The spring here did. That popped out of it. That's what engages your dump bed. Air comes through here and it pushes the PTO on over there. So clean all this up overnight. Put the spring in that one so I'll remember. And all the bolts. So cool. Clear and prop. Alright, let's let this air pressure build up and see if that took care of the PTO repair. If y'all haven't seen the video on turning the AFC modulator up, you have to check that video out. If the bed goes up. Put it up and show you all the here. It worked. That fixture up, so glad that's over with. This will conclude the repair on the old dump truck, and y'all do us a favor, hit that like and sub button, leave a comment, and check out our other videos. Y'all have a great day, and as always, thanks for tuning in to Foster's Farm and Garage here on YouTube. Peace out.